How to allow apps from unknown sources on a Fire TV stick. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Fire TV tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow apps from unknown sources on your Fire Stick. And if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like, because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started with allowing apps from unknown sources on our Fire TV stick, the first thing we need to do from the home screen, and you can get there by just hitting the home button on your remote control, is scroll all the way to the right until you are selecting the gear right there. Once you have selected the gear, scroll down and select My Fire TV. Now that we're on My Fire TV, just under About, you should see Developer Options. If you do not see Developer Options, we need to enable Developer Options. And to do that, simply select About. Then the first option, Fire TV Stick, it might say Fire TV Stick Lite or Fire TV Stick 4K for you. Simply select that 7 times. So as you can see here, I'll do that real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So as you can see, it says I'm already a developer. So once you do that and enable developer options, select the back button on your remote control, then go back down to developer options. And then in here, select install unknown apps. And now because we have developer options enabled, once you try to install an unknown application, you simply need to go in here and it'll give you the option to grant that app permission to install. All right, so that's how you allow apps from unknown sources on a Fire TV stick. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Fire TV stick tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.